Hey, so I'm going to be talking about some hair products, but right now I'm going to be talking about this Mielle Babassu. I'm just be messing up folks' names. I'm sorry, honey. Mielle Pure Simple Natural Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I know you're probably saying this girl messing this, but I'm just going to do a long story short. It's a deep conditioner. It works very, 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 very well. I wanted something that could put moisture back in my hair, especially when I shampoo my hair myself, and just wanted to kind of give a break from heat. I just want to wear my hair in a natural state. So I wanted to see, what deep conditioner that possibly could work for me. I love her products anyway. I know I use I think it was called the almond oil, and then for edges, I have that one too, but I'll do a review on that on another video. But yeah, as you can see, for protein, moisture, replenisher, for dry and damaged hair, and to restore moisture and balance for moisture and growth. And then I love how she has, what it does, and I love that she has a story on the back. And she is very, very gorgeous, by the way. And she has beautiful long hair, and her daughters do too. I think did I say her daughters in there? Yeah, her daughters are adorable as well, and they have beautiful hair. And it's safe to use on color treated hair. And then I loved her story, and especially since I have color treated hair, I love her products. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and and try this deep conditioner. So what I did was, on the instructions, it says to divide it, I believe, divide it in 4 sections. Well, let me tell you what I did, because you pretty much see what you're supposed to do. Now I did this last step, and I did the cover with a plastic cap, and I did it for about 30 minutes because I just like the longer the conditioner is. I don't know, I just felt like my hair just loves to keep the conditioner in there longer. And then you can see what it's made without. She knows her stuff. I give her that, she knows her stuff. If you see her, look her up. Okay, yeah, her products is, what I'm saying, it it's some good stuff. But with this, what I did was that I parted my hair in 4 sections after I washed my hair. Yes, I did. Now, with the 4 sections I did, let's say if I started on my back and I have 2 sections of the back of my head, I would divide that one big section. I'll divide it in 2, just so my hair can penetrate all that deep conditioning, just from the root to the end, and not just kind of finger combing, and then I kind of wrap it around my hair, so I know I already did that already. And it gives it my curls back to life as well, using this stuff. And so I do that around my whole hair, and I finger comb it, or sometimes I might comb it around the edges. I definitely put a good amount around the edges and at the back of my hair, around the baby hair in the back and all in the front. And I definitely soak this stuff on my color treated hair, and my color treated hair loves this stuff. Literally, when I rinsed it out, my hair was completely soft when it got dry. My ends was so soft, it felt like my hair wasn't even colored in the first place. It felt like it was virgin hair again. And what I did was that I, after when I put the deep conditioner on my hair, I clipped it up, put a plastic bag over it. I kind of did some work around the house for about, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes. And then I sat under the dryer, depending on how long I feel like, okay, this deep conditioner was in my hair. And then I set my dryer on cool, which I'll do a review on that too. And then I got back in the shower, and I I think I took the plastic cap off, but I left the deep conditioner so it could kind of give it like that steamy feel. That's another thing that I did. Just, so I love steamers as well. I've used a steamer before and I loved it. And so I kind of did like a home steamer. Took a shower, I left the conditioner in my hair and all that steam going on with the shower. It stayed in my hair, nice deep conditioner. I rinsed it off with cool water. And it works amazing. Like, it really does. I've used a lot of this stuff. I really did. And it smells like it's gonna do some work too. Like, it smells like you know how sometimes deep conditioners smell sweet or something like that? I feel like this deep conditioner was like one of the type of deep conditioners where you know it's gonna do some work on your hair. I love this stuff though. I gotta give me some more of this because I'm the type of person that kind of use more product than what's supposed to, or just use a lot of product, period. But yes, ladies, if you're looking for a good deep conditioner, or fellas as well, not just ladies, I'm not gonna gender discriminate any type of way. This is some good deep conditioner stuff. Seriously. And it ain't never lied about this protein and moisture, because it gave my hair back to some life. But yeah, definitely try this out. This is some good deep conditioner.